The test pilot. It's busy, complex and aromatic. It's the exact opposite of that gullible friend we all have who can test things on, like jumping off multi-storey buildings or sticking forks into plug sockets. This is another creation of the tiki and mixology legend Donn Beach. The ingredient lineup: dark Jamaican rum, a light Puerto Rican style rum, this Bacardi's been hanging around my cupboard for a while, Cointreau, velvet Falernum, everyone's favourite drink from the 70s, Pernot, Angostura bitters and fresh lime juice. Kick it off with 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml of your dark Jamaican rum. Then follow this up with 3/4 of an ounce, that's 22.5ml of our light rum. 1/2 ounce, that's 15ml of Cointreau. An equal measurement, 1/2 ounce, that's 15ml of your velvet Falernum. And the last ingredient we're using a jigger on is going to be 1/2 ounce, that's 15ml of fresh lime juice. Then 6 drops of Pernot. I love it when people tell me their Pernot horror stories. There's plenty of people that are older than me. It's to mix it with lemonade, it went badly wrong. 1 dash of Angostura bitters. Add 8 ounces of crushed ice and then flash blend it. History wise, Donn Beach, aka Donn the Beach Coma, was in the Air Force during World War II. Several of Donn's cocktails have military themes. Beach created this cocktail around 1941. Put this into a double rocks glass. Top this up with crushed ice and form a snow cone. Garnish with one of these extortionate cherries, and then it's not traditional, but I'm going to add a mint sprig. The taste test. This is a complex drink and a more mature tasting drink from the tiki world. The Pernod announces its presence straight away, and the rum is always there. Cointreau adds some dryness, then there's a clove imp from the Falernum. The lime gets a bit lost I'll perhaps turn it up a notch, but this is a great drink and has all the hallmarks of a Donn Beach cocktail. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap and most will enjoy, and have a couple more and behave yourselves.